I want to ask a question to the world today. Is this world is for the human or the monster? This world has become the monster's world, no more with the human. Children of Gaza, children of Palestine, and the human of Palestine, they are being killed by the monsters. And the world is now silent. Total world is silent. I want to urge upon those people, those who all has got heart, real heart. Please do not keep silent. Your silence is equivalent to a bullet. Your silence is equivalent to a bomb against those people